Hello, and welcome. If you're new here, my name is Sal, and I am super excited to have you here. You might be thinking, oh no, not another goal setting video. Summer has come to an end. Everybody's back to school, back to university, starting new jobs. Work at the office might even start moving a little faster than before. And all of a sudden, we start hearing more and more people talking about setting goals. Today, we're not just talking about setting goals. We're talking about making goals happen. We've all been there before. We've all set goals. We got really excited about them, and then we forgot about our goals. We started to prioritize other things and basically allowed life to get on the way. No judgment here. I've been there myself way too many times actually. So today I want to show you how you can make your goals happen. I can talk about making goals happen because I've proved that the goal setting methods that I'm about to share with you work. I've tried them myself, because I've gone through months and months of setting goals, trying to achieve those goals, and then getting distracted by other stuff, only to realize that I had lost my focus. If you're in that space right now of having goals and not really sticking to them, then I want to show you how you can make your goals happen. This is the exact goal setting that I used to land 2 TEDx talks in less than a year, be featured in the media, publishing my first book, and having sold out months and months of public speaking. Be sure to stick till the end of this video because I have something really special for you. Tip number 1 is write down one big goal. I know this may sound so obvious, but you'll be surprised how many people don't do this. When I say write down one big goal, I mean write down one big goal. Not 2, not 3, and certainly not 5 big goals. One big goal makes it crystal clear what your objective is. Your one big goal could be something like this. I'd like to improve my public speaking confidence. Now, comment below and let me know what your one big goal is and why you want to achieve it. Tip number 2 is add a deadline to your one big goal. So if your one big goal is to improve your public speaking confidence, then adding a deadline means improve my public speaking confidence by the 23rd of December 2022. Tip number 3 is where things start to get interesting. Break down your one big goal into tiny, biteable tasks. I like to call these tasks mini goals. Now that you know that your big goal is to improve your public speaking confidence, what tasks can you do to contribute towards your one big goal? Remember, your tasks need to be tangible. You need to know when you're doing your tasks and when you're not. In this example, tasks to improve your public speaking confidence could include reading a book on how to improve your body language, turning your camera on during your virtual meetings, recording yourself speaking on camera, working with a public speaking coach, or watching TEDx talks. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't watched my latest TEDx talk, be sure to check out this video out and let me know what you think. Moving on to tip number 4. This is where it gets really good. Add those tasks to your calendar. Yep, you heard me right. I personally need daily reminders of what's happening during my week and how my week is moving towards my goals. Give yourself tangible deadlines. I work on a weekly deadline, and what I do to keep myself on track is use a whiteboard. Every time I look right, I see my goals for the week, and it reminds me of my why. It gives me great pleasure to cross out my completed daily tasks every single day. I draw a line on my whiteboard and I have a list of key tasks that are linked to my one big goal. These tasks are tasks that I must complete from Monday to Friday. If you decide to use a whiteboard, this is where you'll set yourself daily goals that will move you in the direction of your one big goal every single week. So to improve your public speaking confidence, you could read 10 articles about body language confidence. On Tuesday, you could have the task to watch 3 TEDx talks. On Wednesday, you can film a 2-minute video talking about something that's near and dear to your heart, and so on. My 5th and final tip is find an accountability buddy. An accountability buddy is basically someone who will check in with you to understand how you're moving towards your goals. This part right here is super important because you are less likely to not do your tasks if you know that you have someone who will ask you about your tasks. If you really want to put some skin in the game, I would go as far as saying commit to paying a fine to your accountability buddy if you don't stick to your main tasks. For example, if you commit to filming 3 2-minute videos a week and you don't do as promised, you could commit to paying a £100 fine to your accountability buddy. Trust me. Once you pay your first fine, you'll make sure that you don't skip your commitments ever again. Now that you know what you need to make your goals happen, I want to know how I can help you achieve those goals this year. I've put together a 2-minute survey and I would love to have your feedback on what your big goals are for the rest of the year and what you need support in. Your feedback will help me tailor my YouTube content in a way that helps and supports you better. Filling in the survey will help you actually complete step 1 of the tips that I just shared with you, which is to write down your one big goal. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button so I can continue making more videos like this just for you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.